sweet Christmas wreath, edible reindeer antlers, and a cocktail in a Christmas bauble? Learn all about edible Christmas decoration ideas in our new video. Meet our Christmas elf. She really loves her job, but there is no point in waiting for a raise. Elf has been dreaming about trying on Santa's beard for a long time. Sew a white thread to a piece of elastic ribbon. Thread marshmallows. Sew one more piece of ribbon elastic to the other side. Place marshmallows in rows to shape a beard. Fasten the pieces together with edible glue. Everyone knows that Santa's position has been occupied for a long time and won't be free anytime soon, so Elf can easily eat the beard and forget about her raise. But that's so unfair. The Christmas elf will prove to everyone that even elf girls can work real miracles. The friends decide to decorate their Christmas tree, but their decoration talent leaves them at the worst possible time. This tree definitely won't win the pageant Miss Spruce 2019. What should we do? Thank goodness Christmas Elf has good taste. She turns the green monster into a sweet Christmas decoration at once. Sprinkle a silicone mat with flour and roll out ready pastry. Cut it into strips. Roll up every strip. Place them on parchment paper to shape a branch. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the branch with melted chocolate when it cools down and sprinkle it with shredded coconut. Let it freeze for 10 minutes. Make a hole in a ball-shaped chocolate candy with a knife. Fill the hole with melted chocolate and attach a thread loop. Coat the candy with edible pearl powder. Fasten a loop to a star-shaped cookie using melted chocolate. Put white chocolate chips into a glass to make the decoration stable. Put in the sweet branches. Decorate them with cookies and candies. Now that's some real magic! It smells gorgeous! This tree is edible! Our decorations are beautiful and delicious. The girls gradually eat their new decor. Mmm, yummy! This sweet piece of art will hardly last till Christmas. Blondie wants to make the most delicious Christmas gift. She gets a big encyclopedia of dough, takes out all the ingredients, and cooks strictly following the recipe. Blondie juggles a whisk and eggs. She did a great job! The last part is the most difficult, waiting and guarding the oven. Oops! It seems like it's way too hot in the oven for the muffin. I wonder if there should be this much smoke. Call the fire department! It looks like Blondie's pastry's burnt. But Christmas Elf won't let tragedy happen. She quickly turns Blondie's artificial horns into delicious and crunchy reindeer antlers. Put 3½ ounces of sugar into a pot with a little water. Add 1 ounce of honey and 2 ounces of butter. Melt the ingredients at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Put in cinnamon and ground ginger. Add some vanilla sugar. Stir it and put in 1½ cups of flour. Thoroughly mix it while keeping it on the stove. Wait for the mixture to cool down and beat in 2 eggs. Put in 2½ cups of flour. Mix the dough and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Roll out the dough. Cut out reindeer antlers following a template. Bake them for 5 minutes at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Break 4 tips off chopsticks. Hot glue them to a headband and attach the deer horns to them. The blue-eyed girl sees her sad friend. Burning her pastry made Blondie really unhappy. The blue-eyed girl is at a loss because the antlers turned out very tasty. What's the problem? Now it's Blondie's turn to be amazed. These antlers were baked by accident. Maybe she opened the oven way too wide. Or is it just another sweet Christmas miracle? The girls have a lot of holiday tasks to do, but troubles happen sometimes. Redhead finds a broken Christmas bauble. Leave this problem for Christmas Elf to solve. She will quickly find a way to use a broken decoration. Hot glue star-shaped glitter to a clear Christmas bauble. Pour juice inside. Add a straw. A Christmas bauble without a top turns into a stylish juice glass in Redhead's hands. Don't forget about a straw. What a brilliant idea to breathe new life into broken Christmas ornaments. Jessica is setting up a warm atmosphere, but one candle just refuses to burn. Is this because of some kind of wax rebellion? Christmas Elf will quickly tackle this problem. Let there be chocolate. Melt white chocolate in a microwave. Pour it into a candle mold and insert a thin piece of fondant to be a wick. Put the candle into a freezer. Cover it with edible pearl powder. Decorate it with a Christmas ribbon. Jessica thinks that the smell of the candle is familiar. It's chocolate! The girls brag about their findings. Christmas magic must have been involved here. Decorating the house with the help of a Christmas elf is twice as much fun. Redhead wants to give her friend a delicious treat. Maybe she should look for something in the fridge. But the fridge seems to be going through a pre-Christmas depression. It's completely empty. Redhead needs a Christmas miracle. I wish there was at least a little gingerbread man. Christmas Elf finally hears her request, and an unusual Christmas wreath appears on the shelf. Cut out circles in the center of sponge cakes with a template. Whip confectionery cream with a mixer. Put the ring cakes onto a cake coaster and cover them with whipped cream. Roll out green fondant. Wrap it around the sponge ring. Cut out the center and cut off the excess fondant. Roll out dark green fondant and cut out holly leaves with a template. Dampen the leaves with water and attach bundles of 3 leaves to the wreath. Add strips of red fondant as a ribbon. Coat ball-shaped chocolate candies with gold edible pearl powder and attach them to the leaves using melted chocolate. You can treat your dearest guests with this Christmas wreath. The bells look so realistic. Who wants a piece of our sweet wreath? Christmas is not Christmas without party poppers. But when Redhead discovers a rocket, everyone around should be worried. She's going to arrange a Christmas rocket launch now. But Christmas Elf doesn't like these popping sounds. She needs to defuse the rocket immediately. Wrap a small jar of Pringles in self-adhesive paper. Cut out a circle of decorative paper and cut a triangular section out of it. Glue it to make a cone. Attach the cone onto the Pringles lid. Hot glue a wooden stick to the bottom of the jar and fasten a cord imitating a wick. The Christmas rocket launch fails. What's wrong? There are crunchy chips in this rocket instead of gunpowder. Fireworks have never been so delicious. Who ordered a holiday Pringles fireworks show? Christmas Elf is very clumsy sometimes. The sound of falling Christmas ornaments gives the little magician away. It's time to disappear. The friends hope to see who helped them keep up the Christmas spirit, but they find another gift instead. Melt dark chocolate in a microwave. Pour it into an angel-shaped chocolate mold. Evenly spread it over the mold and freeze it for 1 hour. Join the 2 halves of the angel with melted chocolate. Refrigerate it again and cover it with a thick layer of gold edible pearl powder. The girls only find Elf's hat under the Christmas tree, and there's a gold angel under it. Plus, it's made of chocolate. So delicious! We will remember this Christmas for a long time! Did you like our tasty Christmas decorations? Then write in the comments which ideas you will use to decorate your home. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new delicious Christmas ideas on Troom Troom.